Computer network. A computer network is a group of two or more computer systems connected to each other. This means that every computer in the network can send information to the others. The main advantage of networking is to share resources such as printers, scanners, disk drives, and CD/DVD drives. Multiple users can communicate among themselves and share data and information. Types of computer networks. There are many types of computer networks, including local area network, LAN. The computers are geographically close together, like connected in the same building. For example, network in your computer lab. Wide area network, WAN. The computers are farther apart and are connected by telephone lines or radio waves. For example, ATMs all over. Campus area network, CAN. The computers are within a limited geographic area such as a campus or military base. For example, an intranet working within IIT. Metropolitan area network, MAN. A network designed for a town or city. For example, the cable TV network. Internet. Internet is a network of networks. It is a global network connecting millions of computers all over the world. Hundreds of countries are linked together via computers to exchange data, news, and opinions. Each internet computer is independent and called a host. It uses existing public telephone and communication networks, including satellites, to relay data between networks using routers. The fastest growing part of the internet is the World Wide Web. Other parts of the internet include services such as Gopher, Telnet, and FTP. Who owns the internet? Is there a single person or an organization controlling the internet entirely? The internet relies on a physical infrastructure that connects one network to other networks. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, WWW, is a uniform method of accessing and retrieving information on the internet. It is a web-like structure to store information, where you can jump from one piece of information to other related information stored on the World Wide Web using hypertext and hypermedia. This information is almost always retrieved using the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. Web browsing. Web browsing refers to exploring the information on the World Wide Web. There are several hosts or websites available on the WWW, and you can browse through them to get the required information. Browser. A browser is a graphical user interface GUI application program that retrieves and displays web pages from websites. A browser has the ability to render text and graphics in the browser window. More specifically, it has the ability to display text in different fonts, styles, colors, and sizes, graphics in different formats, hypertext and hypermedia documents, foreign language character sets, forms composed of text fields, buttons, check boxes, etc. Browsers have the ability to invoke plugins, helper applications. Plugin. A plugin is an application program that is invoked by the browser and runs inside a browser window. It cannot live on its own. Examples of plugins include Real Audio and Shockwave Player. Helper applications versus plugin. A helper application has a mind of its own, and a plugin is literally plugged into the browser. The examples of browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, Opera, and Google Chrome. Main services of Internet. A browser lets you link to other resources on the internet using different types of services. The most common ones are HTTP, uses the Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP to access a World Wide Web server. For example, http://www.google.com/ connects to the Google homepage.